Well, beautiful summer weather is going to happen this day. So we're going to start having summer weather happening very soon here. It's very warm. Too warm from what I'm wearing. That feels so much better. So, I was just watching Environmental Coffee House's last video of where she's showing the snow coming down. And just the video, I think was before that, she was showing a massive melting going on. She called it weather whiplash. It's a good term for it. And it seems to be being triggered by the North American vortex. It's splitting the weather in two. And we're getting remnants of the Arctic weather, which changes our weather like a switch. Okay, here comes something. There's just so many people out today, as you'd expect on a beautiful day like today. And the wind has begun. It always does. Whenever I take a video, the wind blows into the microphone. It's just part of being an outdoor videographer. You have to keep changing the direction of the camera so that you can do video without the wind noises. So what we have to look at is how serious climate change is in the North and South Poles. Let's go look at the ice extent for the North Pole. Look at how it's at record lows, and we're seeing this over and over. And the same thing's happening in the Antarctic. And what we're really seeing that's really disturbing is really hard rains in Greenland, which is now speeding up the melt there. Wind's really picked up. Let me go see if I can find a less windy area. It seems that humans are degrading into being very trashy apes. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, we found a spot amongst everyone, and they're all doing videos, so now I fit in and they won't bother me as much. So, the issue here is that we have vast climate change going on where people aren't. That's in the North and South Poles and the higher elevations in the mountains. These places are seeing extreme climate change, far worse than anything in the lowlands. The oceans are experiencing heat waves. Isn't it obvious by now that we're in dire consequences from climate change and that we need to do something about it? I watched Al Gore the other day do an interview, and that guy seems like he's, well, let's wait till that's over. So, we need to do something about it. Governments aren't going to do anything. People aren't going to vote correctly. So it's up to the few that really care about the planet and aren't just going to wait until somebody else fixes it or tries to fix it. So on another beautiful California's day in the 70s, I appreciate all the comments on the last one. It was sort of just a quick flower video. I like to do one or two of those a year when California changes into this beautiful green landscape and flowers and all that, so you sort of want to record it because each year it's different. This year it's the blossoms of the yellow flowers, and the California poppies are just now coming out. For those that are still in winter, enjoy, and until next time.